Ito na, ito na. Wow! I got wet! Oh boy! Pati ako nabasa! It's coming! Oh, this is the lazy river. Lazy river, you'll see the lazy river. Wow, the lineup is so huge. Let's see. That's the lineup. It's a lineup for the lazy river. Maybe we go to the other side. There's a long lineup. I'm going to that side. Let's see. Yung mag-lazy river. And the boat. Okay. No, I'm going to the you can step in the swimming pool. Oh, that's the lazy river. Oh, that's our lazy river. Yeah. But look at the lineup for the lazy. They're lazy. I know. They just open it. Oh, what is this? Let's see. Huh? Oh, this is the new one? The new one for Barracuda.
Light.
Okay, let's see this guy. Who's winning? That lady. Oh. Followed by a lot of jockeys. Oh. Dad! In the lazy river.
I forgot to get some, right?
We're coming down. Let's go. Now look at the lineup for this one. They haven't started yet. This is the plunge. The super soaker. Here we go. It's coming. Ah! Woo! Very good. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Wow, this is for the kids. Good for the kids. Whoa, again. That's very quick. Okay, let's monitor this. Looks like, wow, coming down. Where's the entrance to this?
We'll work it out, eh?
Okay, the wave is coming. Let's find the wave. Let's find the wave. Let's put our slipper here. Wow. Coming down, coming down. There we go. Oh, and up, and up, and down. Oh, and down again. Very nice. And up again. Woo. That's cool. Maybe I will try that later on. I'll try that later on. Where's the wave? No wave. How many people are coming here on the weekend? Let's check the other side. Okay, this one, oh, they have to jump. We'll see how they jump. See the jump. Oh. Okay, get ready. Here we go. I think she's scared. Come on. Whoa. One more. Whoa, there's another one. Wow.
So that was what, 10 feet?
Jack did that last year. Oh my god.
Very good. Canada's Wonderland. Lots of fun. Not. Oh, let's see. Looks like the wave is coming. Okay, here it comes. Here comes the wave. No wave. False alarm. False alarm. It's a false alarm. Let's see the other tubing one. Tubing. Oh, it's right the other side. More tubing. There we go. I don't know, it's for fun, but it's a black hole. There we go. It's another one. Okay. Now let's go back to the pit side, to the pump house. This is the pump house. Ito, here comes the pump. Oh, fun. Okay, let's see again. My goodness, the soccer lineup is so huge. Maybe this is a good ride. Because of the lineup. Very long. Look at that. The lineup is so long. And the lazy river. Yeah. Okay, so if you want to come here in Canada's Wonderland, don't come on the weekend. Don't come on the weekend because the lineup is so long. Especially the lazy river. Huh? Yay! Oh my god. Let's take another one. Let's take another one. Okay. coming. It's coming. Okay, it's coming. Oh, there we go. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, it's a pig. Whoa! Maligo?
No, we can't go together.
Huh?
We can't go together, otherwise we're gonna do the stuff.
You gonna what? Okay, we're back here. Oh, that's the lazy river. Okay, this is a very nice area. And you can see all of this action while doing the lazy river. Look at that. It's a big plunge. Ooh. Wait for it. Wait for it. Here we go. Oh. And we're good. And that's it for today.